പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കുട്ടികളെ, all dear students, today I will explain our English class, Standard 2 English. The date 11/6/2021. Here is the first activity. The activity first. What do you see in the picture? Write below. Please repeat. What do you see in the picture? Write below. Here is a picture. A beautiful picture. A beautiful picture. What are you seeing in the picture? Okay. Are you seeing many animals? Are you seeing many animals? Oh, okay. Many trees and houses. Okay. Then you write what are you see in the picture. Here is many animals. What animals? First one, cow. Then second, goat. Then you can complete. Then on other things, what are you seeing the other things? You write the all lines and complete the first activity. Okay? Okay, let us start the second activity. Activity second. Look at the picture, filling the blanks using the words from the box. Using the words from the box. All of you look. What are you seeing there? There are a beautiful picture. Beautiful picture. What picture is this? Is there a garden? This is a beautiful garden. Okay. Here is, what is the, this is a dash garden. Here is a blank space. You complete the blank space. Then what the activity? Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. Here is a blank space. Look this. This is a dash. Then dash is a blank space. The space did not write any words. You write the words, the proper words. Where will you get the words? Where will you get the words? The words from the box. Where will you get the word? The words get from the box. You look at there. Here is a box. In the box there are many words. Which words are there? Butterfly, beautiful, talking, rainbow, white. There are many words. You select the proper words in the box and write the filling blanks. First one, this is a dash garden. This is a dash garden. How is the garden? How is the garden? Is it a beautiful? Look. There are many things. The green, there are green space, green grass, the different colors of flower, butterfly, rainbow, clouds, sun, and there are many things are in the garden. Then how is the garden? This is a dash garden. Filling proper words. How is beautiful garden? You can write the beautiful word. Here is look, the beautiful. You write this is a beautiful garden. Then look at the second. There are some dash. Here is the blank space. You fill in the blank space. There are some flying in the garden. Flying in the garden. You look. What are you flying in the garden? The girl is flying. The flower is flying. Is the flower flying? Is the clouds are flying? Are the clouds flying? Are the clouds flying? Is the sun is flying? No. There, what are you look at the picture? What are you look the picture? There are some who is flying. You write in the proper words using in the box. Look in the box and read the box and select the proper words. What are you flying? There are some dash flying in the garden. Then the third one, Ammu. What is the name of the girl? What is the name of the girl? The name of the girl is the name of the girl is Ammu. Ammu is dash to one of the butterfly. To Ammu is dash to one of the butterfly. Look at the Ammu. What is the Ammu doing? What is the Ammu doing? Is Ammu is happy? Is Ammu happy now? Look, how is the Ammu face? The happy face. Look at the Ammu's mouth. Why is Ammu open the mouth? Is Ammu eating? No. Ammu is not eating. Why is Ammu open? Then so you can get the answer. Ammu is dash to on of the butterfly. Who is the in front of the Ammu? Look, who is this? The beautiful butterfly. Then what is the Ammu's doing? Ammu is, you select the proper word in the box and write then what is Ammu doing. Ammu is dash to on of the butterfly. Then read the next sentence. She is very happy. Yes, she is. How is the Ammu face? Ammu face is the happy. Then you read the sentence. She is very happy. Then Ammu plucked 2 dash colored flowers. Ammu plucked 2 dash, filling the blanks using the proper sentence from the box. Ammu plucked 2 dash colored flowers. All of you look in the Ammu. What is in Ammu's hand? Flower. How many flower? 1, 2. 2 flower are in Ammu's hands. Okay. Which color flower? Is it a green flower? Is it a red flower? Is it a violet? No. What is the color of the flower? You can select the proper words in the box and write the blank space. Ammu plucked dash color. You can identify and fill in the blank. Then the next A dash is also see in the garden. A dash is also see in the garden. You can see flower, Ammu, butterfly, clouds, sun. You can see in another one, another big one, the different variety colors. The different colors you can saw the big one in the garden. What is the name of that? You select the word in the box and fill in there. A dash is also see in the garden. The second activity, then you filling the blanks using the words from the box. Okay. Now you can do the work. All of you read the passage and box word and filling the proper sentence, suitable sentence there. Then look at the picture and you identify which words writing here, and all other blankets which words is writing there. Okay. Students, let us go the third activity. Activity third. Let us sing and enjoy. Let us sing and enjoy. Which sing? Butterfly song. Butterfly song. Okay. ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ നിങ്ങളോട് പറഞ്ഞു മാഷിന് പാടാൻ അറിയില്ല, മാഷിന് വായിക്കാൻ അറിയുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ആരാ പാടേണ്ടത്? എന്റെ കുട്ടികളാണ്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് മാഷൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു തരാം, നിങ്ങൾ പാടിയാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ മാഷ് വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ ഹിയർ. ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ. ഓക്കെ. ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ up in the sky, up in the sky. Butterfly butterfly flying so high, flying so high. Then butterfly butterfly take me with you, take me with you. Up up and high, up up and high. Into the sky so blue, into the sky so blue. All of you read. Please repeat one time. Butterfly butterfly up in the sky. Butterfly butterfly flying so high. Butterfly butterfly take me with you. Up and high, up up and high. Into the sky so blue. Okay. മാഷൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു തന്നു. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പാട്ടൊന്ന് കേൾക്കണ്ടേ? ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ പാട്ട് ഒന്ന് നല്ല ഈണത്തിൽ ഒന്ന് കേൾപ്പിച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ.
Butterfly, butterfly up in the sky. Butterfly, butterfly flying so high. Butterfly, butterfly take me with you. Up, up and high into the sky so blue.
ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവരും കേട്ടല്ലേ? ശരിക്കും ഇനി ഈ പാട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ നല്ല ഈണത്തില് പാടി പഠിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, ടുഡേ വർക്ക് ഐ വിൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഹിയർ. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു the work the complete the tomorrow 11 o'clock. Okay, good. Thank you.